Hello friends, welcome back with me in my YouTube channel. In today's video I am going to explain about how to show story highlights or collection on Facebook. So, let's go to the tutorial. Step 1. Go to your profile. Step 2. Click the three dots icon right here, then tap on Archive. Step 3. Click on Story Archive. Okay, as you can see here there are lots of stories that I have made in the past. Step 4. Choose one of the stories that will be made a highlight or collection. Step 5. Click the features icon at the bottom right. Step 6. You can rename the collection according to the theme of your story. Step 7. To add some photos, click here. You can add photos from camera roll, stories, uploaded photos, and tagged photos. In this tutorial I will only use stories. You can choose several photos that match the title or theme of the collection. Step 8. Tap Next. Step 9. To change the collection cover, click here. After finding the best cover, then, click Use in the upper right corner. Last step. Click Save. Okay, now you have successfully created a collection. If this tutorial worked for you, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.